Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to show you something special recipe. How to make your dinner in your kitchens. I swear it's better than pizza. Believe me. I show you an ingredient. It's very simple. This is our ingredients. Potato 700 grams, large sweet onions 1 piece, 1 cup parsley, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon white pepper, half teaspoon garlic powder, large 3 eggs. That is our ingredients. Let's start. Guys, now I remove the all the peel, and then now we have to cut the small pieces. Alright, potato are done. I'm going to do it same way. Onion. Right, guys. Alright guys, now we already cut a small cube to the our potato, also onions, there is also parsley, also we cut. Now we are ready to start our cooking. Now I am going to add some more olive oil. Alright. So beginning I am going to add onions. Give it 1 minute. Alright, now I'm going to add potato. Now I'm going to make roti. Alright guys, looking good. Good smell. Now I'm going to add everything together. Keep it another 2 minutes. Wow, looking good. Now I'm going to close the flame. Now keep aside. Alright guys, now I'm going to start our next preparation. Now I'm going to start our next preparation. Break the 3 egg. Now add salt. Black pepper. That's all. Mix properly. Right guys, now I'm going to add all the potatoes to mix with egg. Now mix properly with egg. All the things properly. Alright guys, now I'm going to start our cooking. Now everything mixed with potatoes. Final adding 3 spoons of potato starch. Mix, good mix. Have to good mix. Okay, now I'm going to start our pizza. I start our cooking. Add some more butter. Start this way. Now I'm going to add all our potatoes. Check the time, make the low fire. This is green bell pepper. This is red bell pepper. So now I'm going to keep to other side. Close our flame. I will put the plates and flip to the other side. Guys, look at that. What a beautiful pizza. Now I'm going to add other things. Beginning our pizza sauce. Add some more. Next I'm going to add ham. Put the middle one. Next I'm going to add bell pepper, beginning green. I'm going to add red bell pepper again. So red and green I have already. It's looking good, nice. I hope taste are amazing. I'm going to add some more cheese. All around. Now I'm going to add some more oregano. Finally I'm going to add chili flakes. Add little bit. So finally add onions. Now close it. Okay guys, let's see. Wow, what a beauty. I can't believe guys. What a smell. So just now I'm going to transfer to the other plate. Wow, what a smell, what a beauty. It is look like a pure pizza, but actually not pizza. This is the potato. Guys, I'm going to now taste. I'm going to start cutting. Wow. What a beauty. Look at this, guys. What a beauty. Take a some more wine. I'm going to take my first bite. The taste amazing. Oh my god. Try it, ma'am. What a taste, man. Amazing. The nice taste. So wonderful. The taste, the below portion, crunchy. The middle portion, very soft. The upper portion, so delicious, mixed with sauce and cheese, bell pepper, parsley, all mixed with other ingredients. The taste are so awesome, guys. Yeah, try at home. So can't explain the taste. No any food chemicals, very healthy foods. Easy to make. It's not difficult, guys. The timing is here to there. I told you 5 minutes first side. That's getting almost, I think, 9 to 12 minutes. I think something like that. Second also I hope 10 minutes, but it's not 10 minutes. It will go to also almost 20 minutes. So timing here to there, but easy to make. So delicious, healthy, guys. Try at home. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Next video I will bring to you another amazing recipe. Bye bye.